In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Airtable. The process is straightforward and takes just about 5 minutes. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open Airtable in your web browser. If you haven't logged into your account yet, do so now using your credentials. Having an account is essential because it allows you to access your bases, where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the base where you want your form to live. If you don't have a base yet, don't worry. It's quite simple to create one. Within the base, you'll need to create a new table. This table will serve as the foundation of your form, holding all the data entries that come through once the form is up and running. With your table open, you'll want to direct your attention to the Create New button. Clicking this will present you with several options. For our purposes, you'll want to select Form. This will begin the process of transforming your table into an interactive form. Now that you've chosen to create a form, it's time to give it a name. Naming your form clearly and descriptively is key, as it helps you stay organized and makes it easier for others to understand the form's purpose. Consider what kind of data you're aiming to gather and tailor the name accordingly. With the foundational setup complete, it's time to customize your form to suit your needs. This might include adding or removing fields, organizing the order in which questions appear, or tweaking other settings to ensure that respondents have a smooth and intuitive experience. Take a moment to review the various customization options available. Each one can help optimize the data collection process. Once you're satisfied with how your form looks, the next step is to click the Publish button. This action finalizes your form, making it ready to be shared with anyone from whom you'd like to collect information. Remember, publishing is a crucial step as it ensures your edits and customizations are locked in and viewable to those with access. Finally, after publishing, you'll want to copy the form link. This URL is your form's direct link, making sharing it a breeze. You can send this link via email, incorporate it into a website, or share it through social media, whichever medium best reaches your intended audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a form in Airtable. Remember, the process is designed to be flexible and user-friendly, so feel free to experiment and adjust as you see fit. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. We'll see you in the next video.